is now the championship match for this Kang Maslugan one-day beach volleyball tournament. Ito nakuha. Diretso. This will be between Mariners and the Timbungan. First point goes to the Mariners. Then this is raised to 28. Takas nun.
Ang mga motor na nakapagpapag dinistuloy sa mga itrapay, malayo na rin pagtanta na na kaya kung mo ganahan na puputan.
To serving 1. Timbungan leading by 1 point. Ay, hindi pumasok. Medyo dumidilim na. Pumasok. Check ball na kasi. To serving 3. Ayan, outside. 3 all. So deadlock tayo, 3 all. Net violation sa kabila. For serving 3. Medyo madilim na. Tingnan natin. Ito, nakuha. And the Mariners was blocked. 5-3. And a serve. 6-3. Again, the winners of this tournament will receive 5,000 in champion, 8,000 ang second, at 2,000 ang third.
Check.
It was inside. 7 serving 4.
Check, money. Check, sound. Hey, check. Test.
Nice one. Ganda ng play.
Test. Check. 1, 2, check.
8-4. Subalit outside. Pumasok. Dalawa na lang. It's 6 serving 8. Ang lakas. So 9 serving 6. Ganda ng serve. Hindi na ayos ang control.
Thank you so much for participating.
Ganda ng block. It's 8 serving 9. 1 point lead.
Muna na rin kung gabi ka pa rin sa controller na output.
Double touch violation. Point for the Mariners. In sublead tayo, it's 10 serving 9. Mas okay itong championship kasi walang sounds. Deadlock at 10 all. Wow, ganda naman nun. Pasok. Pasok pa rin. Wow. It's 12 serving 10 na tayo. Hindi pumasok.
Check. Sound.
So it's 11 serving 14. Hindi nakuha yung last rally kasi yung flash natin ay sumindi. Alam ko lang bakit. Rebound. Tingnan natin. Ito nakuha. Wala. Ay, lumipat. That's it. Ayan, ito na. Wow, ganda. Oh, goal check eh. It's 14-15. So, nakahabol. Lock. Deadlock at 15 all. Again, this is race to 28 at inside. Wow, ganda ng block no? Tapos lumundag din sa kabila. 17-15. This is race to 28. Tingnan natin ang mangyayari kung dumilim. Outside.
Ikaw sir, maka 1 round lang sir. Isa 1 round lang.
Ulo. Ulo. Nag-outside. Oh, sayang. It's 19, serving 16.
Di ka pamilog, kipasinda mawala ang tanan. Kagalini mo na Sir, ayoko try ang feel, ayoko try ang feel. Kung di mo tananin mo, kung di mo
Double hit,
tananin mo.
double touch. 17-20.
Kana.
Ganda pa-placement, no? Hindi pumasok.
Serving.
Don't get the fire, just show the power. Don't see your power.
Natin ito. Ball. Again. Oy. Sinulan. 23-18. It's 19-7-23. Ito na pala. Tapos 20-23. Again, this is race to 28. Oy, nalapuan. Sayang, parang free ball. Tingnan natin ito. Ito na. Bila. At outside. Ayun. Ganda nun. Hindi pumasok.
The ticketing booth para kay Lisa and the color ang wristband for tonight's event.
Ito. Dito. Yeah. 22-25. So ngayon, may bandamangga na naman. And ball check at net touch pa yung dito. 26-22. Oh, ito. Ang Venus na naman. This is the championship point for the Mariners. At tapos ang laro. US 28.